Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. This is Miss May Badr, your English teacher. We will continue studying Connect 4. Today, we are going to study Unit 3, Lesson 6. Please make sure that you bring your books to all our sessions. You should also bring along papers and a pen. That's all you need to enjoy our lessons together. So let's begin. During the last lesson, you learned about the life stages of plants. Today, you are going to be writing about an Egyptian plant. I want you to open with me your books, page 60. You are now going to write your own plant report. You will use the information you prepared. First, you should write a plan for your report, including what information you are going to write about and the order that you are going to write in. يعني إيه plan؟ يعني أجي أعمل أي writing لازم أعمل plan، لازم أعمل خطة. أحط bullet points بالحاجات المهمة اللي أنا هذكرها في الريبورت بتاعي. هو يعني إيه report أصلاً؟ يعني أنا هكتب information about plants. Last time we talked about the Egyptian plants and today we will learn about an Egyptian plant. I want you to write the word papyrus on your papers. So, papyrus. Let's say it one more time. Papyrus. Do you know what is this? Please read with me the text and let's answer the questions in exercise 1 using the information about papyrus. You can use also the text as a model for your reports. So let's begin. A report about a plant. Number 1, working groups, think and research. Group work, very important. We need to work in groups. ولما نشتغل في groups سواء في الكلاس أو في أي مكان نقسم الشغل علينا كلنا equally. يعني مثلا حد ممكن يعمل ريسيرش وممكن حد تاني يجمع صور وممكن حد يكون خطه حلو يقوم بعملية الكتابة وحد تاني يعمل presentation. يبقى احنا كده قسمنا الشغل علينا واشتغلنا in groups. Working groups, think and research. Find an Egyptian plant. You have to answer the 3 questions in your report. يبقى ال 3 bullet points here هما البلان بتاعتي اللي احنا اتكلمنا عليها من شوية علشان لما اجي اكتب الريبورت بتاعي اجاوب على الأسئلة اللي موجودة دي. The first bullet point says, why is it an important plant? ليه البلانت ده ليه أهمية؟ Bullet point number 2 says, what does the plant need? بيحتاج إيه البلانت ده عشان يكبر؟ Bullet point number 3 says, where does it live? يبقى تاني علشان أعمل الريبورت بتاعي لازم أجاوب على كل الأسئلة دي في الريبورت اللي أنا هعمله. Read and do. So number 2, read and do. Number 1, draw or find some pictures you can use. يعني لو أنا عندي printer في البيت أوكي ما عنديش مش مشكلة أنا ممكن أرسم بإيديا الصور اللي أنا هحطها في الريبورت بتاعي. Number 2, make your report with your group. وهأكد تاني إن إحنا نشتغل في جروب دي حاجة مهمة جدا عشان بيحصل exchange للأيدياز وكل واحد بيبقى له دور بيبقى له رول ولازم نقسم الأدوار علينا equally. Let's read together the text about the papyrus or the report about the papyrus. Papyrus. Papyrus is a very special plant. It is famous because ancient Egyptians used papyrus to make paper. They also made sandals and baskets from papyrus. Papyrus needs a lot of water and warm weather. To grow quickly, it grows in the Nile Delta near the river. One more time. One more time. Papyrus. Papyrus is a very special plant. البلانت دي مميزة جدا. تعالوا نعرف ليه. It is famous because ancient Egyptians used papyrus to make paper. قدماء المصريين استخدموا البابيروس اللي هو البردي علشان يعملوا منه الورق. They also made sandals and baskets from papyrus. وتخيلوا كمان من الزرعة دي اللي اسمها papyrus عملوا الساندلز بتاعتهم اللي كانوا بيلبسوها وعملوا كمان باسكتس يستخدموها. Papyrus needs a lot of water. البابيروس ده من النباتات اللي بتحتاج كمية مية كبيرة جدا. وكمان الويذر لازم يكون warm. يعني ايه warm؟ يعني يكون دافي علشان النبات ده يكبر. It grows in the Nile Delta near the river. وكانوا بيزرعوها جنب نهر النيل وده طبعا ليه؟ عشان احنا قلنا ان الزرعة دي محتاجة enough water. فطبعا كان نهر النيل a main source of water فاتزرعت جنب نهر النيل. تعالوا نقراها تاني. Papyrus. Papyrus is a very special plant. It's famous because ancient Egyptians used papyrus to make paper. They also made sandals and baskets from papyrus. Papyrus needs a lot of water and warm weather to grow quickly. It grows in the Nile Delta near the river. طب احنا بعد ما قرينا الريبورت نقدر نرجع تاني نجاوب على الأسئلة؟ طبعا هنقدر. تعالوا نقرا الأسئلة. The first bullet point says, why is it an important plant? Take your time. اتكلمنا برضو قبل كده وقلنا لما يكون عندي سؤال وعندي تكست لازم أطلع الإجابة بتاعتي من التكست. وده بنسميه scanning and skimming. Skimming I read the text in general وباخد general idea عن التكست. والسكاننج عينيا بتعمل سكاننج للبارت اللي أنا عايزاه وبكتبه في الأنسر بتاعتي. يبقى لما اجي اقول why is it an important plant هروح للبارت اللي بيتكلم عن الامبورتنس او why the plant is special وهنقول it is famous because ancient Egyptians used papyrus to make paper. They also made sandals and baskets from papyrus. Bullet point number 2. What does the plant need? البلانت ده كان محتاج ايه علشان ينمو علشان يكبر؟ Papyrus needs a lot of water and warm weather to grow quickly. Very good. Bullet point number 3. Where does it live? البارت اللي احنا قلنا فيه انه بيحتاج كمية مية كبيرة جدا وكان ده السورس الأساسي للمية. Very good. It grows in the Nile Delta near the river. I am so proud of you. ما دام عملنا جروب ورك يبقى لازم نعمل presentation للورك بتاعنا. Number 3. Present مش present. Present. Have a class exhibition. يعني ايه exhibition؟ هنقعد مع بعض في الكلاس ونعمل display للبروجكتس بتاعتنا أو الريبورتس بتاعتنا. Tell your friends one thing you like about their report and one suggestion. نخلي بالنا هنا هنقيم شغل بعض. يعني هقول لصاحبي الحاجة اللي عجبتني في الريبورت بتاعه. الحاجة اللي ما عجبتنيش هقول له suggestion. يعني ايه suggestion؟ هقترح عليه بأسلوب لطيف ازاي يعمل الريبورت أحسن من كده المرة الجاية. And now please open your books page 61. Look at page 61. I want you to remember that the self-assessment is not a test, but that it will help you to decide the areas that you need more help with and the areas that you are confident with. السلف-assessment ده مش اختبار ليا. السلف-assessment ده علشان أعرف الweak points بتاعتي فأحسنها وأعرف الpositive points أو الstrong points بتاعتي so I feel proud of myself. Exercise number 4. Do you remember the names for these parts of a plant? Look and write. تعالوا نتكلم عن كل picture شوية وبعدين نكتب أسامي pictures. What can you see? Look at them. Very good. Number 1, it's a tomato. واتكلمنا قبل كده عن ال different pronunciation وقلنا tomato. وقلنا the British people say tomato. وقلنا ال American people say tomato. Number 2, roots. Very good. Number 3, الزرعة الصغيرة أول ما بتيجي تكبر بنسميها إيه؟ بنسميها shoot. Very good. Number 4, seeds. Number 5, leaf. وهنا ما ينفعش أقول leaves لأن أنا شايفة واحدة بس فبقول السنجلر فورم اللي هو leaf. لكن لو كان عندي كذا واحدة كنت هقول leaves. And the last one of course is the flower. Let's write the words under the pictures. Picture number 1. What is it? Very good. It's a tomato. And I can also say that it's a fruit. طب هيجي حد يقول لي بس هي مش فاكهة، هي خضار. لا، هي بتتصنف من الفواكه. So I can write fruit or tomato. Both are correct. So let's write together fruit. So number 1, fruit. Very good. Number 2, what is it? This is the part that grows under the soil, the unseen part of the plant. Very good. So number 2, roots. هي دي الجذور بتاعة الزرع اللي بتكبر تحت السويل واحنا مش بنشوفها. Number 3, it's a small plant or when the plant starts to grow. What is it? Very good. It's a shoot. So let's write together shoot. Number 4, this is the part we plant in the soil. ده البارت اللي احنا بنحطه في السويل ويبتدي عملية الجيرمينيشن. What is it? Seeds. Very good. طب ممكن أقول seed؟ لا، عشان هم أكتر من واحدة، فأنا هقول seeds. Number 5. What is it? Very good. It's a leaf. طب can I say leaves؟ لا، مش هينفع عشان هنا أنا عندي واحدة بس فبستخدم السنجلر فورم مش البلورال فورم. يبقى أنا هقول leaf مش هقول leaves. لو كان عندي أكتر من واحدة كان ممكن أنا أقول leaves لكن هي واحدة بس فأنا هقول leaf. So leaf. Number 6 and it's the last one. Very good. The flower. Excellent. So let's write together the word flower. I want you to concentrate on the spelling of the words. Now, let's move to exercise number 5. You will look and make the superlative form. تعالوا نفتكر قبل ما نبتدي ايه هو superlative form. خدنا قبل كده ال comparative وقلنا comparative comes from the word compare when we compare between two things or two people or two objects or any two things. حلو؟ وبعد كده جينا قلنا superlative form. يعني ايه superlative form؟ I compare between one thing and many things. Okay? One person and many people. One place and many places. So we use the superlative form instead of the comparative form. Okay, so number 5, look and make superlative sentences. Number 1 was already done for you. Tall, land animal, giraffe. Where is the adjective here? يعني ايه adjective؟ يعني كلمة بتوصف. Very good. The word tall here is the adjective. لما اجي اعمل superlative form بستخدم ايه؟ بستخدم حاجتين. يا إما بقول the most يا إما بحط للadjective est. طب إمتى بستخدم est وإمتى بستخدم the most؟ est لما يكون الadjective بتاعي صغير، زي ما قلنا الكلمات بتتكون من مقاطع، فلو الكلمة عندي أو الadjective عندي صغير أنا هحط له est. لكن لما يكون هو already كبير ما ينفعش إن أنا أحط له est فيكبر أكتر، فهستخدم كلمة the most. طيب كلمة tall هنا long adjective or short adjective؟ Very good. So tall is a short adjective. So the sentence will be the tallest land animal is the giraffe. Can I write it in another way? ممكن نقول the giraffe is the tallest land animal. So let's read it one more time. The tallest land animal is the giraffe, or the giraffe is the tallest land animal. Both are correct. طيب تعالوا نشوف number 2. Heavy land animal elephant. أنا بقارن ما بين الelephant وكل اللاند animals. يبقى أنا مش هستخدم الcomparative form، أنا هستخدم الsuperlative form. What are you going to say here? Very good. The heaviest land animal is the elephant. وقلنا لما يكون عندي vowel بكسر كلمة ذا شوية وبقول the. فأنا بقول the elephant. So again one more time. The heaviest land animal is the elephant. Let's write it down. The heaviest land animal is the elephant. هنقف هنا شوية وهنفتكر حاجة مع بعض. heaviest آخرها y. قلنا إيه لما يكون عندي adjective آخره letter y و I want to form the superlative form. Very good. Y and E are not good friends. So I have to change the y into I before I add the est. So heaviest became H-E-A-V-I-E-S-T. We changed the y into I in order to form the superlative. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Can we rephrase the sentence? Can we write it in another way? Of course we can. We can say the elephant is the heaviest land animal. Both answers are correct. Number 3. Small part of a plant cell. اتكلمنا قبل كده عن البلانت cells وقلنا ان هم very small. Maybe the smallest part in the plant. So here we are going to write down the smallest part of a plant is the plant cell. Let's write it down. The smallest part of a plant is the plant cell. نفتكر مع بعض الكابيتاليزيشن and the punctuation. الكابيتال letter والفول stop. Smallest is a short adjective, not a long adjective. So we added the est. We didn't write the most. We added the est. Can we rephrase the sentence? Can we write it in another way? Of course we can. We can say the plant cell is the smallest part of a plant. Number 4. Old tree, Californian redwood. Again, one more time. Old tree, Californian redwood. Californian redwood, it's a proper noun. That's why it's written in a capital letter. Names should be written in capital letters because they are proper nouns. Let's do it together. What are we going to say here? Very good. The oldest tree is the Californian redwood. يبقى تاني أنا كتبت Californian redwood with capital letters because it's a name of a tree, a name of a specific tree. So it's a proper noun. Let's write it together. Number 4, the oldest tree is the, I will write it with a capital letter, Californian redwood. My full stop, I will never forget it. Can we rephrase the sentence? Can we write it in another way? Yes, we can. We can say the Californian redwood is the oldest tree. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Now let's look at the second part. Big flower, Rafflesia arnoldii. Let's repeat the word again one more time. Rafflesia arnoldii. Rafflesia arnoldii is a big flower. Okay? طيب. Let's do the superlative form for the Rafflesia arnoldii. What are you going to say? Very good. The biggest flower is the Rafflesia arnoldii. وارنولدي من الكلمات القليلة اللي بنلاقي فيها double I. Number 6, and it's the last one in this exercise. Dangerous plant oleander. Again, dangerous plant oleander. الأولياندر بيعتبر dangerous plant لأنه سام. How to form the superlative form for this sentence. كلمة dangerous كلمة كبيرة. فأنا ما ينفعش أحط لها EST. ما ينفعش يبقى اسمها dangerousest. So what are you going to do? Very good. You will add the most. So the most dangerous plant is the oleander, and I add my full stop at the end. Now let's answer exercise 6. Do you remember? Let's read and write. Let's read the two questions. Question number 1. Why do plants need sunlight and water? One more time. Why do plants need sunlight and water? The answer is very good. To make food, or what we call the photosynthesis. Again, the photosynthesis. So, why do plants need sunlight? To make food. And we can write between brackets photo, like the word photo, and then SYN, and then the, and then SIS. Okay, so photosynthesis. Question number 2. Why are plants useful? Very good. Plants are useful for many reasons. For example, they give us the food, they clean the air, and they also clean the water and provide wood. So let's write it down. So plants are useful because, so they are useful because they clean the air, give food and wood. like the wood we take from the trees. Now, let's look at exercise number 7. You will think about the whole unit, Unit 3. Please write 2 things you enjoyed and 2 things you learned. For me, I enjoyed reading about papyrus. And I also enjoyed talking about the group work and the school exhibition. The things we learned here, we can say the different parts of plants and how the seed germinates. Next time, we will have a review. I am sure you will like it. We are going to have loads of fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.